Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of Whip It Like Butter. It's your girl Ashley, y'all, and today I'm too excited about this dark chocolate buttermilk pound cake, y'all. Ooh, with that chocolate ganache, and then we top this with some candy pearls. Yes, y'all, these are edible pearls, and that Dutch processed cocoa right in this batter does not miss. Something I've been wanting to try for a while. Don't know what I've been waiting on. I've been using Hershey's and store brand and stuff like that. That Dutch processed cocoa don't miss at all. Okay? So without further ado, let's get into it so we can whip it like butter. Alright, let's go. Okay, loves, it's time to whip that butter. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in our mixer bowl, and then we're gonna get ready to slowly pour our sugar into the bowl, y'all, nice and slow. Get that all nice and incorporated. We're gonna mix that for 2, 3, maybe 4, 5 minutes. We're looking for a look about like that, and then we know we're ready to add in our next ingredient, which was our vanilla. It should be light and fluffy. Then we're going to add our eggs in one at a time. So our butter and our eggs should be at room temperature. Adding our eggs one at a time, blending well after each addition. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and add in our dark chocolate cocoa, y'all. This is so like, oof, so everything. Go ahead and get the link to that in my Amazon store. Okay, so you're going to add in your flour, and then we're going to alternate with our buttermilk. Like always, we're going to start with our flour and we're going to end with our flour. Your buttermilk should also be at room temperature, y'all. All the measurements will be in down below in the description box. Okay, so we're just alternating back and forth between the flour and the buttermilk. You can do this in threes, fours, fives, whatever you need, just as long as you begin with that flour and you end with that flour. And you see how that batter it still has that nice rich color. It still turned like a little grayish or whatever, but it's still gonna come out pretty dark, y'all. Okay, so we're going to finish the mixing process by hand, of course, so we don't over mix. And then we're going to spray the hell out of that Bundt pan and we're going to lay our batter into the Bundt pan. So our oven is already preheated at 325 degrees. It's nice, hot, and ready. I use the oven thermometer too to make sure that my oven is properly calibrated. The oven thermometer is also linked in my Amazon store if you're interested. Okay, because before my oven it was preheating and it was saying it was at 325 and child it wasn't. So I had to fix that. Okay, so we're gonna smooth the top of that cake, place that in the oven. Okay, so we heated our heavy whipping cream for about a minute and a half in the microwave. Pour that right over your chocolate chips. Let that sit for 3 minutes. No stirring until after 3 minutes. And y'all, I'm stirring here and look at that ganache coming together. It's all nice, thick, shiny, and velvety. Definitely recommend heavy whipping cream. I've tried like other stuff like milk and stuff. It don't create that shine and it does not create that thickness. Mm-mm. So spread that over your cake like so. And then we're also using like these candy pearls, y'all. They were so pretty. Also in my Amazon store. I know I keep saying that, but I want y'all to know where to get these resources. They were really nice and pretty, really beautiful addition to this cake that was so nice and yummy. And y'all hang around because we definitely gonna do a taste test so y'all can see the beautifulness and how good this cake was so y'all can make it for yourself. Okay, let's go. Okay, I hope y'all ready because I'm ready. I'm gonna try the cake first. I tasted those pearls, those candy pearls. They're pretty good. Mm. That little crunch in the back. Mm-hmm. Moist and buttermilk, y'all. That cocoa is so nice. It seems like sometimes cocoa can alter your batter a little bit. It definitely complements this batter. Okay. Let me get a taste with the icing. This corner right here. Mmm. Our ganache is so tender. This cake is so good. You don't even need icing. Let me get a little bit of that pearl. That candy right there. Candy, y'all, just to be cute. So I don't even care about the candy that much. It's all about the cake for me. But let's go ahead and add it. So y'all know for real, this stuff is edible. amazing. I'm not even a chocolate lover. I've been going that way though the past couple years. I've been easing more and more into that chocolate world. It just depends on the type of chocolate. Y'all are definitely gonna enjoy this. Go ahead and get the recipe in the description box below. Don't be stingy. Make sure that you share with friends, family, friends, whoever. And join us back for more over here at Whip It Like Butter. Bye.